Hi Rise and Bloomers, what's going on? Your girl Coco jumping on real quick before the night gets going, and I wanted to just share with you guys how I'm going to be using the slow cooker or maybe the updated version. I am so excited to share this with you because I know that it's just going to be a game changer for you. I'm going to be preparing some lentils, and each fourth cup is 9 grams of protein, so go on ahead, guilt-free, absolutely delicious, easy to season. And I do my lentils a very specific way. I make them Colombian style, and this is probably the bare minimum recipe, so no judgment because I don't have a lot of time. My baby's sleeping. And I noticed too that a lot of us are super intimidated by this machine here. So I just filled 1 pound of lentils. I've washed them and I prepared some bay leaves. They're gonna go right into the pot, just like that. And then I'm gonna be also putting in some Goya Sazón. This just helps you with making sure there's a little fresh flavor. I do about half a packet, and then I dice up some onions. I'm gonna share how I do that. This is just super easy. Again, we don't have a lot of time, mamas, so we do the best we can. I do like to chop my onions, so however you wanna do that. And for those of us that don't like onions, this is a really smart way to do it. We just plop the onions in, and you don't chop them, so that when you know, we love the flavor of onions, but we don't necessarily want to have onions. And then we cut up the sweet potato. Again, however you want to do it. This is just how I do it. My eyes are on fire. And I keep the whole potato intact. All of it has really good benefits. And I wash it, of course. Super easy. Okay, so I think that's about that 5 ingredient option. And as far as the water goes, I'm gonna just fill it up. Something like that. Of course, if you have any stock, you definitely add stock to it, okay? Super easy. And then we're gonna just plop it in. This little piece is the sealant. Make sure that that's on there. Maybe it doesn't go that way. Again, I'm like